Take a ride in the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.